Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class of Grade 7 of Basava Residential Girls School. I am Yashasvi, your Maths teacher. Students, we are studying chapter number 11, Perimeter and Area. Find out the labor charges which would be paid for painting the wall. So in today's class, let us continue with the next example. Anu wants to fence the garden in front of her house on three sides with lengths 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 150 per meter is the question. So Anu wants to fence the garden. She wants to put a fence to her garden which is in front of her house. On three sides, the garden is there. It has three sides. 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter are the measurements. So we are asked to find the cost of fencing at the rate of 150 per meter. The measurements of the garden is 20 meter plus 12 meter plus 12 meter again. So there are only three sides. So we need to find out the perimeter. So let us add all these. 0 plus 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So meter. 44 meter is the perimeter now. Now let us find out the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing is rupees 150 per meter multiplied by the total meter. So let us start multiplying here in the rough. 150 multiplied by 44. 4 zeros are 0. 5 fours are 20. 2 in the carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 6. So 1 0 again. 4 zeros are 0. 0 again. 5 fours are 20. 2 carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 6. So let us add 6. 6 plus 0, 6, 0, 0. So it is rupees 6,600 is the amount to be paid to fence the garden. So what did we do here? First we found out the perimeter of the garden. Then we multiplied it with the amount, that is rupees 150. So we got rupees 6,600 as the total cost of fencing. Now let us solve one more example. A wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter, find its breadth, which encloses more area. Is it the square or the rectangle? So the question is, there is a wire which is in the shape of a square and the measurement of its side is 10 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent or reshaped into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter, we need to find its breadth. And we also have to find out which encloses more area. So whether the square or the rectangle. So for this, let us first find out the perimeter of the square, which means 10 centimeter is the side of a square. So 4 into 10 centimeter, that is 4 tens are 40 centimeter. So it is also the length of the wire because we have found out the perimeter of the square. Now coming to the length of the rectangle, it is length is given 12 centimeter. So let us assume B to be the breadth of the rectangle. So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to length of the wire, which is 40 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. We all know this. So let us substitute the values in place of formula. That is, in perimeter we have written as 40 is equal to 2 as per the formula into bracket 12, it is already given in the question, plus B. We have assumed B to be the breadth of the rectangle. So we will transpose this 2 to the left hand side, that is 40 divided by 2. Here it was multiplication. Once we shifted it to the left hand side, it has to be under division. Is equal to 12 plus B. So now 2 ones are 2, 20s are 40. So B is equal to 20 minus 12, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So now we have found out the perimeter of the square as well as the perimeter of the rectangle. The next step is to find out which of the, whether it is square or the rectangle, which polygon encloses more area is the question. So we need to find out the area of the square, which is side square, which means side into side or side the whole square. That is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. We got 10 tens are 100 centimeter square. Since it is area, we need to square up the product. Next, area of the rectangle is L into B, that is length into breadth, that is 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter, which is equal to 12 8s are 96 centimeter. So now we can compare, since we have already found out the area of the square and the area of the rectangle. Now it is time for us to compare these two numbers, these two areas. So we can observe that area of the square is bigger, is larger than the area of the rectangle, which is 96 centimeters square. So the concluding statement is, the square encloses more area even though its perimeter is the same as that of the rectangle. Hope you have understood. Let us continue in the next class. Thank you.